Hello traders, it is Monday, June 4th, and I want to show you one of my search features that I like to look for using the custom search engine. This is a 5-minute chart of SNAP, and it came up along with a few other stocks. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put up the custom search engine. You can see there's so many different searches that you can run. In this particular instance, all I'm looking for is very good option liquidity from 0 to 15. We rate option liquidity for all stocks. And then I also marked a 15-minute volume spike. This is such a powerful search. What I've done is I've collected data for the last 20 days and I've divided that data into 5-minute increments throughout the entire day. So every 5-minute segment has an average volume for that period. So whether it's early in the day, the middle of the day, late in the day, we can run these queries. You pick the time frame that you'd like to search for. M5 would be a 5-minute volume spike. M30 would be a 30-minute volume spike. H1 a 1-hour volume spike. Whatever you'd like to use, this will help you identify stocks that are seeing a surge in volume. What's really powerful to use is if you have a compression, so a volume spike and a compression, because that means that the buyers are coming in. They're buying, 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 but the stock hasn't quite broken out yet. And as soon as it breaks out of that compression, it goes. So these heavy volume search right here can be used in conjunction with all sorts of other searches, but I wanted to keep it very simple for illustrative purposes. So now that I have my search results, I'm just going to click through some of these and we'll take a look at the volume spike for each one of them. There you can see the volume spike in here, AAOI, not too interested in that. I'm looking for a stock that has pulled back like this and compressed and has a buy signal. That was gorgeous. And you can see AMD has had very heavy volume today, and there was a volume spike in there. Really nice entry point on that buy signal. Burlington, you can see the volume spikes in there as well. I'm just going to keep going down until I see something I like. And there was a trade there's the compression I'm talking about. I'm not seeing a big volume spike here. There was a huge spike on COTY earlier in the day. You can see the volume spike there, DDD. So you just have to flip through the results and identify the type of pattern that we're looking for. Again, we love those compressions, and I'm coming up on one that I found that I've actually been in, and it was GILD, came up on this study, had that pullback, and I entered right on that green bar here. This has been a really, really nice trade, and I love the daily chart on it. Here you can see the stock gap down, formed a base. It's through horizontal resistance right now on heavy volume. So this is a great tool to use. I'm going to go through and see if I can find a couple more here. We'll stick with the daily chart to see if we can find something that's maybe breaking out, just like that GILD trade. So if we like it, there's another one right there, GME. Look at that nice breakout through horizontal resistance. It just had earnings the prior day or 2 days ago. It has a big bullish engulfing candle right here, and it's continuing to move higher through this horizontal resistance. I like GME. Look at that steady grind higher. So you get a big spike like that, a pullback and a compression in here. That's where I like to get in. But now that it's breaking out to a new high, I still like it. This is a gorgeous compression, so I'm going to put an alert right here. When that stock goes through, I'm going to know it. And we'll keep looking. We'll go back to the daily chart. That is another gorgeous breakout. Look at that. It's through horizontal resistance and it's through the 100-day moving average, and it's through the 200-day moving average. Beautiful. This will be a good purchase for a day trade on any pullback, and in fact, it looks like a good swing trade as well. All we're doing is looking for volume spikes. It's that easy. And when you use this in conjunction with other searches, even more powerful. You're going to drill down to maybe one or two stocks that look really good. There you've got a nice compression, and there you've got your volume spike. I like it right here. Keep taking a look here. Big gap up. I'm going to avoid that one. A little bit choppy there. Snapchat we already took a look at. Nice compression in here. Drop an alert line right on that compression. If it breaks out, I'm going to get a pop-up alert, and I'll probably take a position in it. Very, very easy. That's how we mine for candidates. This is a powerful move right in here. Look at that volume spike. It's already up in here, and you can see that breakout to a new high. That was a gorgeous entry point. Right here, we're getting massive volume, and the stock's continuing to move higher, and it's making a new all-time high. So, very attractive candidate. And finally, this is on a daily basis. Really nice breakout, recent earnings. Let's take a look at what it's doing. Great compression right there, and now a breakout. So I'm going to contemplate entering this trade. What I wanted to point out to you though is that the custom search engine, it's binary. It's so easy to use. There's no programming. All you have to do, and there's my snap alert, you can see it in the bottom of the screen. And there you can see how the stock had gotten through that horizontal resistance level. But back to my point, the custom search engine is so easy to use. It's binary. There's no programming. It's toggle on, toggle off. Whatever search criteria you want to use, you can keep searching. You can save your searches. They appear in my favorites in the Option Stalker platform, so that they update automatically. You can see new stocks come up in these searches. So if you're an active trader, I'd like to have you aboard. This volume search is one of many criteria that we use, and it dissects volume for 20 days across every 5-minute segment throughout the entire day. Thank you.